nice day, guy. I will tour you in this showroom here in Malaz, Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Which the place you can find the all bathroom, kitchen, toilet accessories, a competitive price, and good design, mostly from China. And also there is Italy product. This is shower accessories, all about stainless finish. It's a good price. Here we are. This is a toilet bowl, competitive price too. Some showers, the wide selections of shower. If you visit this showroom, this Malaz area is that is a mixed showroom for electrical and bathroom, everything here. Good price, good design, and better quality compared to the commercial area. Commercial area in here there in Takasusi, that is a good place for window, for canvassing your design, but you know that the price it almost triple compared there in Malaz, which you can find a good quality of bathroom accessories. This is the drainage cover in bathroom. It is some made in Pakistan and Italy. Accessories of bathroom, for towel, toothbrush, everything. And this is the guy in the show. This one, the faucet. This faucet is good for kitchen. It's removable. You can use like a backyard hose. This is a Yemeni guy. You see this different kind of design. If you want, there is a gold, the classic one. If you want looking rich, but you know, gold for only for the gold brush, not the original gold. You see, it's good for wide the big bathroom. There is some pink, very blue, some hanging bathroom bowl. That is Italy. And here, this one you can use here for the large sala. So what this one, the hand wash area, but this one mostly it will use for kitchen. So you can use also for the big area of men's salon, even in women's salon. This is made in Italy. That is made from Italy. The brand is Italo. Silver and gold. There is white. The stainless one. There is bronze. And you know, shower here. The square water dispense. But sorry, I did the video is most darker color Here the made in China set, but we cannot use this one. The showroom looking good. Seating, there is some touch for the product. Gray motif wall and depicts everything, accessories from shower, from mixer. These some cabinets but made in China. Bowls, cheap looking, but you can find this one Arabic bowl with plush. What is now peace out here in Saudi Arabia. Here is the hand wash, the hanging hand wash, best for commercial, condominium, yani business, residential homes, for business, for commercial residence, for rental. It's this this hanging bowl. This is the modern use this time here in Saudi Arabia. This hand wash. You can occupy that. You can this one you can use a small space. This is the hanging bowl, the toilet bowl. This hand wash. You can put them in the corner of your bathroom. It can occupy the area. The bathtub, the local bathtub, and the very wide selection. It's very nice for sitting. It looks like professional. If you see this all hand wash porcelain. Good design and competitive price also. This the gold one. If you want looking sheikh, looking millionaire, you can. This China also. The design porcelain, the glass with the goldfish design. This is what I love. I love this square, very thin size. This one good for corner of your bathroom if you are reducing your space. All of this is good. That's why I come here to bring my sponsor. This is a tub, the bathtub. And thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day, everyone. Thank you. Please don't forget to like, even share, and also to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye today. See you tomorrow. See you again.